Good evening. Welcome back to Mr. Repair Shop. Yep. Do you wonder why there isn't any videos out? I've been right here, next to my heater, my feet on the old super, because it's been way too cold to do anything. I started this heater at like 2 o'clock today, and it was like 19 in the garage, and now it's like 40-ish, so, I mean, it feels warmer than outside, but it's not. So, what we're going to do today, other than freeze, is got to change the plans on the super because, so remember I said when I got this tin work, that it was an 88 tin, that I was going to put it on my super because, well, I didn't have an 88. Plans have changed, and I might be picking up an 88 in a couple weeks. So I'm going to switch that thing back over to the 880 sheet metal for the meme. Then I'm going to try and put that different shifter on it. So I got the tripod back, so we'll get y'all tripoded up, and I got to put this back together for my how points work discussion video. We'll go from there. But I guess happy Valentine's Day. Hope you're spending with those you love, or tractors. Either one is okay by me. So we'll be back in a second. We'll get set up. All right, we got you back here. So I just got to put all this stuff back together quick because I at some point want to be able to move this tractor when it's not negative. Oh man, 35,000 degrees. That clip out of the way. There you go. That fits on there like that. That snaps back on, then you put all the spark plug wires that fell off while you were screwing around back on. There we go. Yeah, it has. It's been this entire week. They're saying it might start warming up next week, which hopefully it does. So where it's gonna be like near freezing temperatures. No more of this, like negative. The high is like in the low single digits. The low is way below zero. I don't even know if we got above zero today. It has been cold. So we got out of church, and then I honestly just I'm gonna get the heater going out here, do some stuff inside, which translation means nap, and get But I thought I'd come out here at least get a video out. It's been a while since I had a video out. I don't want to put this on. It's kind of paint. It's so good. There you go. All right. See how off this 880 sheet metal is. I know it's off a little bit, but such a fun noise, everyone. I know you all are enjoying it. A little bit farther along. The one advantage with this is now we won't have to take this off as much. I also didn't need to worry about such a short stand. Fingers already froze out here. Man, it's cold. We're definitely going to be doing indoor content. I don't know what that's going to look like. Would you guys be okay with just like hanging out while we drive around in the truck? Would that work for content? Because that's what we're about to get to that level. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. That's been really helpful. We've been getting some new subscribers, getting some new people checking out the stuff. I wish I knew. There's me some shout outs of a new subscriber we just got. And I totally forgot to look before I started this video. So I'll probably put it in the next part. But yeah, that'll work. So now we have the 880, and I think now, I'll bring you along here. Now, you should be able to put your hand, you can actually turn the fuel on and off without doing anything. It's a tight little squeeze. So now, we've transformed this tractor into it's been diesel converted with spark plugs. It's like a formal diesel. So that's how it'll look now. Yeah, it'll work. Let's do this other side quick here. Why am I saying Willy Wonka? Wow. I almost Red Grinch all that stuff. I don't know what. I really don't know where that came from. All right, let's get. Oh, geez. There we go. This one doesn't have the spring on the end, so it moves off a touch easier. And which also means, ironically, I'm pretty sure that air cleaner is supposed to show up like in a day or two, and I won't need it now. But I guess, oh geez. Might need a little more persuasion on this side to get any of them to work. But hold on, we'll bring it back. All right, well, look at that. We have 880 diesel swapped both sides. Yeah, that'll be fun. Maybe I should make that the title. I'm really bad at doing like the whole super clickbaity titles, and I know I should like do more, or I don't know, maybe I am doing clickbaity ones, but it's like, you know, it's what if you want to be big on YouTube, it's what you got to do. Make them dramatic, you know. Oh my gosh, like converting a Super 88 to diesel in 20 minutes, and then everyone clicks on it. But I don't know, I feel like if I did that, then people would be like, oh, that's not, you didn't actually do it, which I didn't actually do that. And, you know, I don't know. I don't like that either. I feel like people that fall into that doing super clickbaity, like, titles and stuff, then are the same ones that get all pissed when it's like, oh, this person, they had some dumb comment. It's like, well, you played the game, win the prize. It's kind of the whole, like, play dumb games, win stupid prizes. I don't know. Like I said, I'm pretty novice with all this stuff. I get it. I'm enough of it to be dangerous, and enough to also know that it just takes time, you know. And hopefully, my goal is, you know, by the end of the year, hit that, you know, 1,000 sub, 4,000 hour watch threshold that YouTube is fond of. But we'll find out. Bring it down a little bit here. So I've got some other opportunities you might see my stuff on. Hopefully here in the relative future. I don't know where my 9/16 is. Here it is. Oh, it is so cold. Hasn't gotten any warmer. It's 40 degrees. So my experiment was, how cold is it out here to start with? It was like 819, and it has not felt much better. So, man, let me know what you think. You know, should I just fall for it and just start doing really clickbaity crap and then hopefully do it that way, or just keep hammering out decent content? Like I said, I'm trying to put more content out, but I'm also at that point where, you know, there's not really much. I don't have any. I'm waiting on parts. I'm waiting to fab up some brackets, but as you guys can see, I don't have a welder here, so I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do, and then go to the. Got a couple people I know with welders and fab it up or do it at work off after hours, which is fine. But it's just a matter of, you know, that's trying to find that time right now is a little hard. So I figure, you know, the more I can get done this way, the better. But yeah, if anyone needs a air filter for an 88, this all works out. I think I'm gonna have one. I'll probably hang on to it though. Might be the same as like some of my other tractors, and that might work out well. That worked out very well. So we'll see how that all goes. It might mean that there's a tractor leaving. I won't say which one yet, but yeah, well, you've seen it once on the channel, but not very often. I'm not sure yet. We'll find out if it's gonna, what's all gonna happen with that. But we got to get, my dad's getting his truck work done this week. You can use my truck to pull the trailer too, but normally road trips always work out that way. So we'll see. We got to unbury the trailer, which it's got those tires on it from before still on it. So there'll be some videos and probably picking the tractor up. So we'll see. And I think as it gets warmer out, you're gonna see more stuff, because like I said, I got a buddy of mine who he's got a bunch of tractors he wants worked on, and so that'll be kind of fun to do as it gets warmer out. We're rotating tractors in and out here, so we'll see what we can do here. But yeah, if you could, and you're watching, give it a like, give me a subscribe, and if you feel obliged, don't feel like you have to, give it a share. You know, if you got friends on social media that might like it, or you want to laugh with dumb fat guy from Illinois screwing things up. I know I'm kind of confused. So I was born in Iowa, and I literally see the bridge to Iowa from my house, but so I always claim I'm still an Iowa resident. I mean, I'm not. Okay, legally, I'm an Illinois resident. That sounded bad. But I always, like, you know, will say things like I'm an Iowa resident just because I'm used to that. A friend of mine is always, Kyle, you're not from Iowa. I'm like, dang it, I know. So that's why if you hear me talking about that. Our farm's in Iowa. It's just I currently live. The repair shop is in the mother Illinois. All the fun that that entails. So you weren't even see what I was doing. Putting that pre-filter back on. We gotta fill this thing up with oil for pulling. It's not gonna be oil, but I think everyone kind of knows how that works. Actually, a friend of mine kind of gave me a little secret on that. I was like, oh, I didn't even think about what to put in there. So once he revealed it to me, I won't tell his secret, but he knows, and I know now. We'll see. So we'll get this put back on. We'll get this thing all squared up. Like I said, I got that. I gotta go. I might throw inside the shifter and housing. So we'll let me get this tightened up, and I'll bring you back. All right, now look at that. Our 880 diesel conversion is over. Well, not actually. It's just the side's in, but you know how that goes. I think for tonight, because it's still, ooh, it got up to 42 out here. It's still unpleasantly cold and not fun, and gives me an opportunity to come out and do another video later in the week. I will worry about that another time. I got it right here. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it is. There it is. So yeah, make sure it's the right one. Appears to be right. So pop that off. The most important thing is making sure this comes off. Of course, it does not. Oh, that's good. So I'll spray some penetrating lube up in that tonight and see if I can get that off. But anyway, unless anything else happens, I'm going to wrap things up here. So yeah, thanks for checking out the video. Hopefully new tractors are going to be here soon, so we'll be punching out some more content with those. I'm excited. Still got to figure out some kind of a bracket deal so this thing's not so wobbly. But yeah, we'll let you go tonight. Have a good one. Like and subscribe. You know what to do. Check out link in the description for any note things I've talked about. Probably have. We'll go from there. But yeah, stay warm, stay safe out there. I know it is terribly cold everywhere, especially down south where some of my buddies was watching Thomas's video earlier talking about down in Tennessee. It's not fun. I mean, I know it's not fun when we get this kind of weather, but it's definitely not fun when it comes to an area that it's not normal for them. You know, the infrastructure isn't there. So hopefully everybody dodges the bullet and springtime is soon. So we can get out and go tractor pulling. So we'll talk to you later. Bye.